Hello fellow Toastmasters, here's a quick tutorial on how to use Splitcam in your online meeting. You can use this free software without using any kind of green screen. I'm going to show you how to show the timer flags using Splitcam. You can download Splitcam at splitcamera.com. Once you have installed Splitcam, run Splitcam in your Zoom meeting. In the video, choose Splitcam video driver instead of your webcam. In your Splitcam, under sources, you choose your webcam and the resolution that you desire. The visual is frozen. All you have to do is re-choose the webcam or change the resolution and then change it back once more. To add the color flag, all you have to do is use a picture-in-picture mode, which is right here, PIP mode. The box is unchecked. If I check it, you see a box appear onto the side. You can move this however you please. You can resize this under source in picture, scroll down to image. Now you can add images by clicking the plus button. You can add files or folder from your computer accordingly. It will put it over here. Therefore, during the time when you are timing a speech, when you first started, you uncheck PIP, you got nothing. Once you are ready to go, you click on PIP. The first one you could use is timer has started. At the appropriate time, double click on the green, the yellow, or the red. You're looking at right here on this side where my mouse is the interface of Splitcam. This is the small icon. This is a small icon what Zoom will look like. I'm going to expand this to show you what it will look like for a full screen. Clicking on the green, yellow, and the red. No green screen is required. I hope this helped.